and today I'm going to show you how to make spinach tarts. And this is one of my favorite things to eat for lunch. And hey kids, you might think that you don't like spinach, but after you try this recipe, I think you'll like it. And you'll definitely like it with warm tomato sauce. Let's get cooking. First, you'll need 15 ounces of thawed and drained frozen spinach. Good job, spinach. Now we'll need 1 cup of shredded cheese. I'm using Kobe Jack, but you can really use any kind of shredded cheese. Okay, that was good. Now we'll need 1 egg. You might want to crack it a little bit hard. Oops. It's okay. No shells. But if you have shells, you might want to ask an adult to help you get them out. Whoa, I'm messy. But that's okay. Now we'll need a half teaspoon of salt. Oof. Salt. Okay, that was horrible. Let's pour in the egg. Oh, I got so messy. Oops. Okay, now we'll have to mix it very good. And this is actually a very simple recipe. So you are probably going to want to have it for lunch. I am going to have this for lunch, so I am pretty excited. My sisters are so excited. They love this lunch. You can also use it for dinner. Okay, you'll have to ask an adult to help you with this. Now it's time to make the tarts. And I'm using empanada dough, but if you can't find these, you can use refrigerated pie crust and cut it into circles. So we're going to put the dough right in here and just make it into a little flower shape. Now we're going to repeat with each piece of dough. Okay, good. Now we're going to fill the first one. I think that's pretty good. And now we're going to keep on going with the dough. If you have spinachy hands like mine, you can actually touch the dough. And if you don't, that's actually fine too. But just make sure you've already washed your hands. Okay, Mr. Dough Wrap. I like to call the food names sometimes. It's actually kind of funny sometimes, and sometimes we have to be serious. This is just so much fun, inspiring kids to cook and cooking for my own family. I really like cooking. It's fun. I like helping my family too. And that's what I'm doing right now. Now we're going to fill them, and you'll have to repeat until you're all done. Now that you've scooped all of the spinach into the tarts, we are going to bake it. But first, we'll have to fold it over a little bit. But don't close it. You'll just have to go like this a little so that it looks like a flower, and you don't have to put a huge amount of pressure on it. So you just like tap it down, but you don't squish it. You just go like this. See? So that some of the spinach is still showing. And this is also a great way to eat your veggies, except for the cheese part. I actually love how it helps your bones grow healthy and strong. Now we're going to bake it at 400 degrees for 12 to 16 minutes. Let's go. Hot oven, hot oven. Oh, hot. Phew. That was good. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's try them. You might want to cool it down a little bit because it might be hot. I love it with tomato sauce. So good. This tastes cheesy and spinachy, and I really like the tomato sauce with it. You guys will love to eat it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.